They say a good laugh helps improve your health. Today, we've compiled a video on the funniest car guy moments. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. This is what happens when you let curiosity control you.
You good?
Yeah, I'm good.
Have you ever heard a chicken count?
1, 2, 3!
Who needs an alarm when you have a GTR? Bikers should consider being an actor. How low can you go? These guys had a brilliant idea to cut the roof off their car.
So this is just a formality at this point. No, we don't. No, we don't. That's what. If somebody wants to cut the shit out of their car to win this, this is the trophy.
This is the only event that we have this at. Yeah.
So you go buy a $300 Civic and you cut the roof off to win a $15 trophy. What's the problem? After you go through, come over here. Just come and see me.
Peacefully. I says,
No, I don't need peacefully. Come over here. Over here, bro.
Is this something you would do?
All right, Biana, Mazda, we're gonna have you pull forward. We're gonna ollie our car right here. And you're gonna help him man. You guys might have to back it up a little bit. Let him park over here. That way you can get out of the way. All right, you're good. Good job, big man. Good job. That way. Don't follow this guy. He's staying. We're gonna have you get.
Have you ever seen Bumblebee from Wish? Driver filmed accident until.
Oh, nothing even happened. You guys are good.
Poor Colin was just trying to save the day.
Stop. Colin, why would you do that?
Why would you put
Why
water?
the fuck would you do that? You fucking dumbass.
He put water on it.
He just put water down.
The guys at Fiat will go above and beyond for their vehicles. Learn from experience. That moment when you realize you messed up. Great way to break a spoiler.
oh shit! Yo, that shit was nice, bro.
If cars were like people, nobody does it better than a newbie. A not-so-bright idea ends horribly wrong.
Motherfucker. You got the fucking wheel, yeah, Junior? Fucking asshole.
What does the wheel have to do with the brake?
Fucking shit!
Calm down, Mom. Calm down.
For fucking listening to you.
Cat loves to dance to the beat. The simplest task goes wrong. Driver rams into a railroad cross. His reaction is priceless.
Broke. Seriously, just broke.
What the heck? Oh my god.
Everything fine? No.
Did you know that all vehicles have this security system?
I just only work on automatic windows.
Mira.
Professionals performing amazing work. Hanging out with a bruh girl.
Alright, I'll talk to you later. Alright, bro. See ya.
Making a car sound using a soda can. What happens when man meets janitor car?
Alright.
Ford Explorer owners like to have fun too. Some potholes go deeper than the Mariana Trench. Stalling at the worst time.
¿Sabe por qué lo detuve?
Porque lo permití.
I don't think she noticed that her vehicle was a little too tall. I bet that truck driver wishes he wasn't working.
2, 3.
Kid said, I ain't going back to timeout.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, 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 no. Oh no.
Have you ever wondered why your packages get delayed? Bow down to our banana queen. This was probably the officer's most embarrassing moment.
I've seen that a few times before, police.
You guys haven't been drinking, have you? Haven't been drinking, have you?
What do you think?
I don't know. You mind if I give you some FSTs? All right, I'll take that as an.
Policeman looked disappointed. Homeboy jokingly asks officer if he can get the keys to the Explorer.
Let me see if he'll pass me the keys. Dude, I love the Explorer, man. The police intercepted version. My man, look, bro. We're on a private property.
Not really.
Well, kind of. If we go to the other side, we'll go to our private property. All I ask is you pass me the keys for 10 seconds. Let's send it. That's all I ask.
Bigger exhaust tip means more power. Don't you think he exaggerated a little too much?
Excuse me, miss?
Please don't. I have a boyfriend.
I was just trying to tell you, you have a flat tire. I wanted to help you change.
Never assume someone is trying to get the digits.
Will you help me?
Get your boyfriend to do it.
A Han vet in the wild.
What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you?
Get yourself some friends that'll always have your back.
What's up, my nigga? Hey, yo, let me talk to him. Let me talk. Come here. Come here. Come on. Yo, let it be. Yo, let it be. Come here, nigga. Touch him. Don't touch him. Don't touch him, bro. Touch me, I said. Touch. Don't touch him. We're not trying to get arrested, my nigga. We're not trying to fucking get arrested. Hold on. One second. Hold on.
You got lucky, bro. You got lucky.
VTech power at its finest.